So I'm going to be filling up this awesome big water balloon. I'm going to make it big. This is getting really big. Let's see how big you can fill it. Oh my god, can you guys actually see that? You guys see that? Let's see if we can fill up more. I'm going to turn the water like really small, just in case if this explodes, we are in big trouble. But you see that? We just want to move this can out of the way. So you guys can see, oh my god. This water balloon is huge. Can you guys actually see that? Oh my god, guys. You won't believe it. Look. Look how big this is. Mom, look at it. 我这个就给它搁水池子里。
还太全湿了。哎呦。